guys! So I ended up seeing this really cool video from Daisy Farm Crafts on explaining how these super cool scrunchies are really easy to make. I thought they were a lot harder. So I decided to make my own tutorial because I do them a little bit differently. So this is what we're going to need. See, I ended up using an M hook, and mine is a Furls M hook, so that means it's a little bit smaller. I ended up getting brown ones. You can get these at like Kroger or really anywhere for like $1.50 roughly, and you get all these on it. And then got my scissors, and we've got the Bernat Velvet Plus. You can use whatever color you want. For this one, I'm going to be using purple. Okay, so I did go ahead and find the starting point. I don't know if this happens to you guys all the time, but it normally happens to me where I get yarn puke. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get one of our scrunchies here. I always test mine just to make sure that it's not going to break. And then we are going to take our M hook and our yarn, stick your hook through it, wrap the velvet yarn around the hook, and you're going to chain one, pull it tight, and then we are going to chain two more. So it's basically going to be your double crochet. And then take this end and double crochet it around with this hair tie, so that way you don't have to worry about seeing that. You're just going to keep double crocheting around it. Okay, once you get to this point where it looks like, oh, I'm almost finished, because it's supposed to be a scrunchie, make sure that you pull this back so that way you get this effect on it. You get the squinchiness of it. And then crochet some more. Double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. Also, you don't want just one, so once you get to this point again, go ahead again, stretch it back. This is going to give you that super texture to the scrunchie that we all want. All right, so now we've got a little scrunchier, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to do two more in here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you are going to find that first chain stitch that you made down here, and then all the way at the top where we had that last part of the chain, you're going to insert your hook and do a slip stitch. Okay, then you're going to cut this off, take that, pull it through, pull it as tight as you can. Okay, not as tight as you can, because then you might actually rip it. And then we're going to do another slip stitch because I am always like, I would rather have more than not enough. And then slip stitch around again. Cut off the excess and shake it out. It's velvet. It's going to get everywhere. So shake it out and there we go. If you have any stray issues after shaking it, go ahead and cut those off. You already did 2 slip stitches, so you're good. And there we go. Wear it on your wrist, wear it in your hair, however you like. And you are done.